Thanks for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works. I'm Dave, and on today's episode of Buy Once, Cry Once, Gone Wrong. So any guesses on what the new equipment is for today? Well, give you a second and let's get to it. So we have a Eaton compressor, 10 horsepower, rotary air compressor that puts out 45 CFM, has a 58 CFM dryer with a 35 to 37 dew point dryer. So this, and it had it upgraded with the filters. Just for the, look at the size of those filters compared to my hand. I mean, it is just massive. Goes to the ceiling. 120 gallon. Gosh. Eaton compressor for the win. And thank you for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works.